Hey there, I'm Dr. Angie, and in this video, I'm going to be answering frequently asked questions about CBD. So let's get started. Number one question is, why is CBD and specifically hemp RX so expensive? This is an excellent question. It is. It's really, really, really expensive. The reason why it's so expensive is because hemp is actually hard to grow. It's sensitive and difficult, and some of the ways we extract it can be pretty expensive. Hemp RX is expensive because it's concentrated. So if you were to Google pet CBD products, you're going to find less expensive products. But what I want you to do is look and see how concentrated they are. Unfortunately, most pet products just aren't concentrated enough to get the results that you want for your pet. So that's why it's so expensive. Since it's become federally legal, we're seeing more states grow hemp, and hopefully that will drive the price down. We've been able to lower the price of hemp RX twice in the last year, and so hopefully that just happens every year and CBD gets more affordable all the time. Okay, the second question is, what conditions do you see CBD work for? Number one is anxiety. Number two, seizures. Number three is arthritis. I also see it work for chronic infections and some allergic pets. It can work for a lot of things, and I also use it to help my cancer patients feel better. It does not cure cancer, but it can really help some of the side effects. So those are the main things that I use it for. What if my cat or dog doesn't respond? What do I do next? Okay, if your cat or dog doesn't respond, the first thing I would do is look at the dosing. The dosing chart that I have on my website is low, and so you can always increase from there. The reason we start so low is that we want you to be able to afford CBD. And so if we find the minimum amount of CBD it takes to get your pet the result, then you can use it longer. If we start at a really high dose and it works, it's harder to back off. So I usually start with a low dose and increase. And if we went to that high dose right away, it's sometimes not affordable, but low doses can work. Okay, so if your pet doesn't respond, I would try increasing the dose. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at Angie@BoulderHolisticVet.com, and we can help you with those dosing questions. The other reason is that it might, if you are at a high dose, it just might not work. It doesn't work for every pet, and it doesn't work for every condition. So that might be happening. Okay, next question. Can I use CBD with my pet's medications? Yes, most of the time you can. I have personally never seen a drug interaction with CBD. Theoretically, it could increase the blood levels of certain drugs like anti-seizure medications. I haven't seen that in practice, but it is possible. So if you add CBD on, make sure that your veterinarian is checking your dog's blood levels. Again, I haven't seen this actually in practice, and I haven't heard any clinicians say that, I added CBD on and I had to decrease doses of other medications, but you might want to look for that. So for the most part, it is safe, but I would talk to your veterinarian. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can email me at Angie@BoulderHolisticVet.com. I'm sending you and your pets so much love, and I will talk to you soon.